guys, welcome back to the channel. Ronox Energy here, and we are at an exciting point in our channel. We have finally got enough batteries to fill out our first server rack. So if you guys don't know, that is 30 kilowatt hours worth of battery storage. I went with I'm sticking with the Eco-Worthy batteries. They've been phenomenal so far, so I don't plan getting away from these, and the price, they are very nice. These are the new Cubix 100 batteries. They've been updated. Me personally, I think they're the same as the version 3s that I bought previously, so not much difference. Maybe some internal differences here, colors here and there. I think the red is nice. Orange is my favorite color, but you know, it's not a big deal. So we added those to the rack, and as you can see here, we have 6 batteries here in the Eco-Worthy monitoring app. It's been a long time coming. If you've been watching the channel for the last year or so, we finally filled out the rack, and we have 30 kilowatt hours worth of power. A lot of power, by the way, but it will allow us to do a lot of new things going forward, which is very exciting. I do have an electrician coming on Friday, and we're gonna finally be able to get the HVAC hooked into our system with the 12K PV. Right now, I just primarily charge my car and everything in my garage here after I've finished cleaning up the cables, as you can see here as well, which were a mess. But overall, I'm super happy, super excited for the system. Just to show you a couple numbers here of the solar, and this is when I first put it in. Some people don't like paralleling their batteries and also using communication, but I think it's kind of cool. And then when you do have that communication cable in, since I did put this in while it was raining, I didn't have much solar coming in, so those other 4 batteries help balance out and charge the 2 new batteries. That was kind of cool. This is the next day when I did have a ton of power coming into the batteries and not really charging a whole lot of things. I did charge the Jeep a couple times that day, but overall, these batteries have been phenomenal. They've been a workhorse, and I do plan to stick with the Eco-Worthy brand. I can't say it enough. I think this journey started over a year ago, a little bit over a year ago now, and I'm happy that I did start. I'm ready to start seeing a lot more returns, and I think by getting the HVAC and one of the bigger energy consumers in my house onto the system will finally allow me to do that. So if you are in the market for a server rack battery, and obviously Eco-Worthy does not sponsor these videos, but however, I will say there are, I don't know how to say the name, there's like HumSync batteries, and I'll put it up on the screen here, but those batteries are, I want to say, the version 2 of what I have, and the version 2 batteries are still very phenomenal. If you are in the market, they're about $550 on Amazon, eBay, maybe Signature Solar, and I'll do some research here, put it on the screen. But if you're in the market for a server rack battery, I would definitely check those out. If you don't want Eco-Worthy, if you don't want EG4, a bigger name brand battery, definitely check those out. You'll save yourself a lot of money. They're just as good. My main primary battery is a version 2 battery that is controlling all of the other 5 batteries in the rack. So I try not to get caught up on, is this a EG4, is it a Franklin, is it a, I don't know, Power Mega battery. I don't really get caught up on that. That doesn't really matter at the end of the day, because solar is solar. As long as the sales are good, these are quality sales, I think you'll be okay. What's next up for me is, like I said, we are getting somebody to put the HVAC on the line. I'm going to add more panels to the system. Probably going to add about 14 more panels. Right now I'm at 16 panels out there at 450 watts bifacial. Could go up to 550, but that's it's kind of a pipe dream sometime. But I'm gonna add 14 more panels. I'm gonna add some more stands out there. The goal is to get to 30 panels. And at that point, I'm gonna have to make a decision, and maybe you guys can help me out on that decision too. I'm gonna have to make a decision whether I want to add more battery storage, because I'm looking at the Eco-Worthy Power Mega, which are 16 kilowatts each. Those are very intriguing. I really like those. I'm probably gonna add one of those and then just continue to add maybe 2 more and get the system up to about 62 kilowatt hours, and then probably gonna focus on putting another inverter, because the 8,000 output is just way too small. I don't plan on really overtaking my entire house with this, but at some point I may be able to. But stay tuned. Definitely appreciate you guys. Drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, all the good things that YouTube tells you to do for the algorithm. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for sticking along with me for this insane ride. We are gonna start doing some live streams on the channel. If you're on Facebook, I have a Facebook page. I also have Twitter. Starting to be more consistent with posting things on my channels, because I do really like the solar aspect of this. So I do want to share it with people. But see you guys in the next one. I'm out.